Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with Simpler Trading and the Chart Patterns Mastery free video for November 28, 2023. What am I seeing today? Well, I'll tell you right now, this is the problem with trying to go crazy on the short side is the whole market hasn't rolled over yet. So what happens is you get these 1 hour like wafts down and you might have that projection eventually, but things are truncated at the moment at these support zones like in here. Right there, those support zones have been holding everything. That's why I do box charts. So I do charts Sunday night, Tuesday night, and Thursday night usually, except at holiday time. I am not sure what to show today, and I'll talk out loud on how I'm trying to structure this. Number one, I am not sure if this is a bull flag, because you could put a 4-hour chart and say that's a bull flag. Or this is a top. So that's the problem right now. You go to a 15-minute chart, that doesn't look pretty. Yeah, that doesn't look pretty, but it's still squashing the bears. So I'm going to remove the drawings and show you what we're talking about. So there is the 15-minute chart. Now you might ask, why on earth did the markets rally on the close? As there was a big old buy program. So Thinkorswim shows on Trade Flash if there's buy programs or sell programs. I don't care if it's 100,000 this way or that way, but go and check out this. Right at 1550, 3.4 billion to buy on the bottom left. See that right there? That's ugly if you're short. So that's why one reason the markets went up. So now you have this, and I can go to different chart platforms to show you. So you have on the one hand, you have that you're still in a defined uptrend. Defined uptrend. On the other hand, you have what you're seeing on the right is that. The problem is you try to anticipate it, you get yourself hosed. So you got to have some longs and you got to have some shorts. Just keep that in mind. That's the way you have to try to play this market, even if you don't want to. That's how you have to play it. So right now what I'm seeing is that pattern on the right. But I'm not seeing any rollover on, let's say, a 1-hour chart yet. Yeah, you see the writing on the wall if it doesn't hold. On the other hand, you see the writing on the wall, and I'll take this off. If the NASDAQ gets over this, yeah, there you go with a bull flag. Holy cow, what the heck do you do? Usually when I get to this, I just play it as I see it the next day. Now, the thing is, we have some longs and we have some shorts in the Chart Patterns Mastery. And I'll tell you right now, the way I'm looking at it, I just want to react during the day. There's more than enough to do, but your time frame has to be so short on the downside till proven otherwise. So I'm looking at this for tomorrow. Now, keep in mind that the Dow Jones transports have acted horrible. There you go with a bear flag. That one worked. Yeah, but why? Because one is it's already under a lot of things. So ES, over a lot of things. That's an hourly chart. Dow Jones transports, under things. And so that's the problem. This is the next problem. The Dow Jones industrial futures. Yeah, they looked terrible earlier, and now they're on their high, while the Russell's down in the dumps. So the easy thing to do is to say buy the Russell and short the ES. The problem is the Russell is full of XBI stocks. It's full of a lot of biotechs. Biotech was down 20 cents. And bank stocks. And the regional bank was down. Not a lot. But the point in here is that I think the way to go is to buy the Russell or Russell stocks. But the problem is that you don't have a defined breakup or breakdown. Look at the right. Yeah, that still has that structure. You got to be careful. So I'm going to play tomorrow. If this breaks, yeah, I'll get aggressive on the downside. No doubt about it. If this sits in this zone up here and still has some kind of semblance of a bearish pattern, while this MACD gets up to here, I'm going to get real bearish, but I'm not there yet. So there's going to be a couple of ways I'm going to scan. One is I'm still going to scan for biotech stocks or Russell 2000 stocks that look okay on a chart. So the Russell was down today, down yesterday. I'm looking for stocks that have a 1 hour squeeze. That's something that I share on the Chart Patterns Mastery. There are a lot of biotechs that have possible bull flags, and we'll stay with those. On the other hand, how about the other way? How about things under their 50 simple moving average? There aren't a lot. You got to take them on a shorter term chart. But that's the kind of stuff we're going to be doing tomorrow and scanning for. So have a great night. Talk to you later. We still have a Black Friday sale on All Is Simpler. So please contact support if you want to do the Black Friday sale. It's a great deal. Take care. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.